Hi, this is Jimmy with Sportbike Track Gear, and today I'm going to answer one of our most frequently asked questions regarding the AiM Solo. The question is can the Solo give me my lean angle? And the answer is yes, and it's actually quite easy to set up. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. This applies to the Solo, Solo DL, Solo 2, and Solo 2 DL, as all of them have the 3-axis accelerometer and gyro that's needed to complete this calculation. This is done with the data after download, so unfortunately you can't display it on the lap timer before you download the data. But with that in mind, this is exactly how you do it after you've downloaded the data. So you'll see I have Race Studio Analysis already open. I'm going to go ahead and load a test. So here you see just the standard test data that's available. This was logged off of a DL, so you can see some of the ECU data here. But anyway, basically what we're going to do is add a lean angle measure in this column. To do so, we're first going to go to Modify up top and click on Math Channels. Now we're going to click Insert. And we can go ahead and name this channel. We'll click the 3 dots here. And we'll call it Lean Angle. Press OK. From here, we're going to go to the right side under Functions. And we're going to scroll down to, you guessed it, Bike Angle. Double click that, and you'll see that a formula is added down here. Now what we need to do is we need to set which channels these two options are pulling from. You'll see speed and gyro, but these aren't actually set to a data channel yet. So we're going to first highlight speed, and under identifiers, we're going to go down to GPS speed. And you're going to want to do GPS speed instead of your ECU speed whenever possible. The reason being is that your GPS speed is likely going to be more accurate than the ECU speed that the timer logged if you're using the DL. Next, we're going to go to gyro. And GPS gyro is what we want to use here. Double click that, and it's filled in. This is what the formula should look like when it's properly configured. You have bike angle, then GPS speed, comma, GPS gyro. From here, we can go ahead and press OK. And you'll see at the bottom that lean angle has been added to our data. So now we can analyze as we normally would with other channels. We can click and drag to go across the lap. And up top here, of course, you'll have the current lean angle marker as where your cursor is, and you'll also have your maximum for both ways. I hope this video helps. If it did, please leave a comment letting me know, and as well, if you have more questions regarding the Solo, please leave a comment asking those questions, because I hope to turn this video into somewhat of a recurring series, because I, of course, am riding with this all the time, as Brian is, and we'd be happy to help with some of the more advanced features of the unit. Even if it's a simple question, feel free to ask us, and we'll do our best to give you an informed answer. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.